If you restrict your eating to a single meal a day, known as OMAD, one meal a day, you're not starving. You're activating a biological mechanism that most people in the modern world hardly ever experience. Think of your body as a massive factory. All day long, trucks deliver raw materials, sugar, fats, proteins, one after another. The conveyor belts never stop. Machines run continuously. Workers scramble to keep up as boxes pile up. Waste accumulates, and small malfunctions go unrepaired. Not because the factory is broken, but because there's never a moment to pause. This is how your body operates when new meals keep coming. Now imagine something unusual happens. The factory gates close. No new deliveries. Conveyor belts slow down. For the first time in a long while, the workers have space to take a breath. Maintenance crews come out. Machines are opened. Defective parts are repaired. Old waste is recycled. Suddenly, the factory runs not only faster, but smarter. This is exactly what happens in your body when you stop eating. In this video, we'll walk hour by hour through the 23 hours between meals. We'll explore which hormones shift when your body starts burning fat, and why many people report clarity, energy, and focus returning at specific points in the fast. The moment you put down your last bite, a process begins inside you that most people never fully experience. Let's start the clock. Hours 0 to 4, factory at full power. In the first few hours, your body is still running fully on the energy from the meal you just ate. You're physically full, your digestive system is active. Proteins are broken down into amino acids. Carbohydrates are converted into glucose, which enters the bloodstream. Now, enter the crucial player, insulin. As blood sugar rises, your pancreas releases insulin. Think of insulin as a gatekeeper. It opens the cells so energy can flow in, while keeping the exits closed. As long as insulin is high, your fat stores are essentially locked. Your body cannot burn body fat at this stage. Instead, it uses the energy currently circulating in your blood. Any excess, common in modern diets, is stored. Some of it goes into the liver and muscles as glycogen. Think of glycogen as a small cash reserve in the factory, ready to keep production running smoothly. In these first hours, everything feels normal. Machines hum, energy flows, the factory runs without interruption. But the real magic of fasting hasn't started yet. Hours 4 to 12, the first turning point. Now, we enter the phase where most people give up. Around 6 to 8 hours, your blood sugar begins to stabilize. The energy surge from your last meal is gone. The factory slows down. Machines run more quietly. And insulin, the manager who has been coordinating everything, starts winding down. Your brain sends a signal. The fast access energy is running low. This is where ghrelin, the hunger hormone, spikes. Your stomach rumbles and you may feel slightly restless or irritable. Many mistake this for starvation. They think, I need food now or I'll run out of energy. But that's not true. Your body is just used to constant, easy fuel. It's like a car that's always run on premium gas now, switching to its backup battery, momentarily stuttering. Push through, and something fascinating happens. Your liver recognizes that no new energy is coming in. It taps into glycogen reserves, the stored energy from liver and muscles, and slowly releases it to maintain stable blood sugar. You're not losing muscle. You're not starving. You're simply using energy your body has already saved. Hour 12, the factory. Unlocks the vault. By now, glycogen stores are low. The factory faces a choice: stop or access emergency reserves. Your body, a survival machine, is built for this. It opens the vault. Insulin drops to its lowest level, signaling exactly what your body has been waiting for. Low insulin activates an enzyme called hormone-sensitive lipase, the key that unlocks fat cells. For the first time in days or weeks, your body begins drawing energy efficiently from fat. You're no longer running on yesterday's meal. You're running on your own stored energy. Hours 14 to 16, switching to fat as fuel. Between hours 14 and 16, the fasting sensation shifts. Hunger pangs often fade. Why? Because your body is now running on a steady supply of energy from fat. When relying on food, energy is like a roller coaster, up and down with each meal. Now, it flows like a calm, stable river. Your body carries tens of thousands of calories in fat. Even lean individuals have enough energy to last for weeks. As fat breaks down, the liver converts fatty acids into ketones, powerful fuel for the brain. Ketones burn cleaner and more efficiently than glucose, which produces more oxidative waste when metabolized. Many people experience a mental lift around this time. Fatigue fades, focus sharpens, thinking feels light and clear. Evolutionarily, this makes sense. A hungry hunter needed sharp senses to survive. Hunger heightens alertness. Hours 16 to 18, cellular cleanup. Now we reach a key stage of the fasting cycle, autophagy. Imagine the factory again. Machines have been running for hours, the warehouse is empty. The manager notices a shortage of materials, but no new deliveries are arriving. The recycling team is activated. They search for broken parts, rusty pipes, and old components. Everything that no longer works is melted down and turned into new materials. In your body, old or damaged mitochondria, the cell's energy factories, are broken down. Misfolded proteins, which could contribute to diseases like Alzheimer's, are removed. Even viruses or harmful bacteria inside cells are detected and recycled. Everything is transformed into new amino acids, ready for repair and rebuilding. This is autophagy, literally self-eating, your body's internal recycling system. When you eat constantly, this cleanup never happens. But fasting for 18 hours or more gives your body the chance to tidy up, repair damage, and rejuvenate. Benefits include healthier, more radiant skin, improved recovery from old injuries and inflammation, hours 20 to 22, protecting your muscles. Skeptics often ask, if my body is recycling itself, won't it eat my muscles? This is a common myth. Around this time, your body releases a protective hormone, human growth hormone, HGH. Research shows HGH can spike 1,300 to 2,000% during fasting. HGH acts as a shield for your muscles, signaling, burn the fat, but keep the muscle. Those tissues are needed. Your body is smart. Muscles remain intact because fat stores provide plenty of energy. Like a backup generator that only kicks in when needed, fat is burned first. Muscles are preserved. Hour 23, ready to eat. You're approaching your eating window. Your body is primed. Your cells are extremely receptive, like a dry sponge ready to soak up nutrients. After 23 hours, your digestive system is rested. Inflammation in the gut has calmed, and your body is running on fat and ketones. Cellular recycling has occurred, and growth hormone is high. You're not weak. You're optimized. Time to eat, building on the fast. This is where many people stumble. After 23 hours, your body is highly absorbent. What you eat now matters more than usual. This meal isn't a reward, it's construction material. Eat pizza and soda, and you overload your system. Blood sugar spikes, you feel bloated and sluggish. Follow the logic of fasting in your meal. Nutrient-dense, high-quality foods. Step 1. Protein, steak, eggs, salmon, chicken. Essential for muscle repair and rebuilding. Step 2. Healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, butter, nuts. Support fat burning and maintain stable energy. Step 3. Micronutrients, a large portion of vegetables, leafy greens, cruciferous veggies, fermented foods like sauerkraut, supplies vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This approach enhances the regeneration and energy production your body has prepped during the fast. The adjustment phase, easing your body. Be realistic. Switching from multiple meals a day to OMAD, one meal a day, can feel uncomfortable at first. Your body must learn to burn fat efficiently, a process called metabolic flexibility. In the first days, you might experience headaches, dizziness, or fatigue. Often this is due to electrolyte loss. A simple fix: salt. As insulin drops, your kidneys excrete more sodium and water. A pinch of sea salt in your water can relieve these symptoms. Start gradually. Push breakfast later, then lunch, until your body adapts. Fasting is a physiological stressor. People with high stress, poor sleep, or thyroid issues should proceed cautiously. Not recommended for pregnant individuals, nursing mothers, people with a history of eating disorders, anyone on diabetes or blood pressure medication without medical supervision. Careful adaptation lays the foundation for safe and effective fasting. We live in a world where food is available 24/7, a setup that conflicts with our biology and makes hunger seem dangerous. Hunger is not the enemy. It's a signal telling your body it's time to activate. OMAD provides more than weight loss. It gives freedom and control. You're no longer ruled by blood sugar, returning instead to a natural rhythm. Hunt, eat, rest. You're not starving, you're thriving. You're letting your body repair, strengthen, and optimize itself. Try this fasting protocol and share your experience in the comments. Did you notice the dip around hour 12 or the surge of energy around hour 16? I can't wait to hear your stories. See you in the next video on our channel.